Hello friends, we're back. Today we're going to solve a problem that involves ratio and area. Let's first read the problem. In the figure below, QRST is a rectangle and A, B, and C are squares. The ratio of the side of square A to the side of square B is 1 to 3. Find the area of the shaded part. So let's write a question mark on the shaded portion. Let's try to strategize by creating a table. So let's write squares. We underline that and we write A, B, and C. And if you notice on the left side, the length of QR, which is the side of the rectangle QRST, is 8 centimeters. And the ratio for the side of square A and square B is 1 to 3. So we write it down. And we also need to write the length of side QR of rectangle QRST. We just need to write that below 1 and 3, 8 centimeters. There we go. Now, let's put a bracket for 1, 3, because that represents 8 centimeters. So how are we going to reconcile this? Let's multiply 1 and 3 with a specific number. Let's use 2. So we multiply 3 times 2, 1 times 2. And we extend our answers below. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now 2 plus 6 is 8. So we have reconciled the 8 centimeters. Therefore, the side of square A now is 2 centimeters. Side of square B is 6 centimeters. Now let's look at side RS, which is there below. So we write RS. We now know that the side of square A is 2 cm. So we write down 2. The side of square B is 6 centimeters. And we are not sure of the side of square C. But we are certain that the length of RS is 12 centimeters. So we write down 12 centimeters. From there, we will be able to know the length of the side of square C. The length of the side of square C is the difference of 12 minus 2 and minus 6, which is 4. Therefore, the side of square C is 4 centimeters. There, it's 4 centimeters. And if we add 2 plus 6 plus 4 is 12. We have reconciled our issue this time. Now let's try to label our squares in the rectangle. Let's put a bracket on the side of square A, which is 2 cm. A bracket on the side of square B, which is 6 centimeters. And a bracket on the side of square C, which is 4 centimeters. We are now close to finding the area of the unshaded portion. To do that, let's first minimize our working. Okay, let's minimize it a bit. Okay. Let's minimize it some more. There we go. Let's put it on the right side portion. Okay. Let's just drag it to the right side so we will have a space for our next working. Alright, there we go. Now, to find the area of the shaded portion in the figure, let's first find the area of rectangle QRST. So we multiply 12 centimeters times 8 centimeters, which is 96. 12 times 8 is 96. Okay, now let's find the area of one square. The area of one square, if you notice, square B has a side of 6 cm. So we multiply 6 times 6, that's 36. 36 square centimeters is the area of square B. Let's find now the area of square C. 4 times 4 is 16. So that's the area of square C. And we have two squares A. First we multiply 2 times 2, that is 4. So the area of one square A is 4 square centimeters. Now let's remove the areas of square A, B, and C from the area of the rectangle, which is 96 square centimeters. So 96 now minus the sum of 36 plus 16 plus 4 and another 4 because there are two squares A, and we get okay. So the area of the unshaded portion now is 36 square centimeters. Let's write our statement. The area of the shaded portion of the rectangle is 36 square centimeters. So there we go, friends. We're done solving the problem. Thank you.